Well, here she is, 2013 Honda Civic, and it is in Kona coffee. Quite an interesting color, probably why I got it. Not exactly what people were probably expecting me to get coming from the RSX, but I kind of like the idea of having a normal car again. Something that's not a cop magnet. So this is it. Walk around the exterior. Been relatively nice for the week or so that I've had it. Very comfortable, very quiet, very economical, which is what I was looking for. The A119 mounted up there, which is a good camera if anybody's looking for a beginner camera. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Here we are on the inside. Now that I've cleaned it. This is, like I said, an LX, so it's the base, essentially. But it still has all your power options, power locks, mirrors, windows. It's got Bluetooth, and of course a backup camera. A small one, but it's a backup camera. A119 again. Boba. So, this is it. Got all your essentials up top, your radio information, speedometer, fuel gauge, your blinkers, AC controls. It is an automatic, unfortunately. Could not find a manual transmission Civic. So we've got here little cup holders, sliding armrest, center console with all my junk, USB port in there. A little cubby down here with some gum and registration. Nice storage, auxiliary port, 12 volt. Keep a wallet and phone down there. A little change hole down here. Overall, it's a very nice place to be. Taking a look here in the back. Got a good amount of leg room back here. Merca. Trunk space is pretty good. Pretty spacious, lots of room. Full-size spare. It's a plus. A lot of cars don't have that nowadays. Backup camera. So, that's it. Let me know what you think. Windows will be tinted soon. Hopefully really soon. It's very odd driving around without tinted windows. It's not perfect. It does have a few little nicks and scratches here and there. But again, it is a used car, so what do you expect? Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.